girl. Eh? She likes putting herself into trouble every time. Ha!
Anyway, I went to buy the drinks, but the person that is selling the drink doesn't have change. She now went around the whole place looking for change before she now saw. That's what delayed me.
But you stayed long now.
It's not my fault.
This woman has called you like 2 times.
Hell!
Yes!
Are you serious?
Listen, if she should ask you, tell her that the drinks are expensive, that you went to look for a cheaper one. Do you understand me? Yeah.
How dare you? How dare you do that? How much were the drinks?
14,000 naira.
Oh! You destroyed my 14,000 naira. For that, I'm going to destroy you right away. What nonsense is this?
My queen, wait, please. My queen, please. Don't destroy her yet. You can destroy me because it's my fault. The drinks fell because of me. I mistakenly pushed her. It was an accident.
You mistakenly pushed her?
Yes,
How?
yes, because I was trying to use the bathroom. I was pressed. I was trying to use the restroom. Then I didn't know she was standing beside me. I pushed her and she fell.
Oh, because you were pressed and wanted to defecate. That was the reason you pushed her.
It was an accident.
I don't understand.
It wasn't intentional.
Why? How?
I have eye issues.
Yes. Okay, you must pay for it. You have to give me the 14,000 naira.
My queen, where do I get that type of money from?
Is that question meant for me to answer?
No, but you know I always wait for my salary to be paid. I don't have any...
Of course, I will deduct it from your salary. Double of the money.
Deduct my money? But my queen, you can't do that now. You're supposed to give me the money, then I'll give you I'll give part of the money to you.
I'm the one that will tell me what to do. And who gave you the audacity to talk while I'm talking? Why must you talk when I'm talking?
I'm sorry. I was just trying to explain myself that it is not her fault. It is my fault. I was the one that mistakenly pushed her. Forgive me.
I will not forgive you. You must pay for that money. I said I will deduct it from your salary, and that is final.
No, I said you forgive her, not me. Sorry, me.
Guys! I'm going to deal with you. I will deal with you. Guys! Guys!
I brought food for you. And I brought medicine for the pain. Though, I'm so sorry for what happened. But why? Why do you always take the fall for me? Why?
What kind of question is that? If you know the type of pain I'm going through, if you know the type of pain those guards inflicted on me, you will not be asking this question because you can't withstand it.
All the same, you shouldn't have done it. I was the one that made the mistake and I should be allowed to take responsibility for it. Now, I feel so guilty because of the pain you're going through. Sorry. Yeah?
I'm fine. I'll be okay. Don't worry about me. I'll be fine.
Okay.
Listen, you better start going inside before that woman begins to look for you. That woman is very wicked.
So just take the food and the medicine.
Better hurry up. That woman will start looking for you now.
Where is this girl? What is keeping her?
Mikey, you said for me.
How many times have I warned you? How many times have I warned you to be adding adequate salt whenever you are cooking? What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, my queen.
I mean, what do you mean by I'm sorry? As big as you are, you don't know how to cook? What is your problem? I mean, what is your problem? Mom, shut up. It's not called for now. The food is not bad. Keep quiet. Always supporting evil.
It's okay, let's just observe table manners.
Will you get out of here? I'm not here.
But Mom, you know salt is not good for your health.
What do you mean by that?
You're not growing any
I said it's salty. Can you just listen to yourself?
My prince, why are you driving like that? You want to kill me? Huh? You want to kill me?
Are you talking to me?
Why are you driving like that? You almost got me killed.
You're asking me questions, right? Huh? You're asking me questions. I see. I see.
And you're drunk.
Yeah.
Ah! Ah!
That's for keeping me outside honking for so long.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Huh?
Whoa, whoa.
Are you getting yourself? Wash my car, okay? I'll be going out shortly.
Whoa.
Lock the fucking gate. Lock the fucking gate!
Hey. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Where is your son?
You expect me to answer that? Coming from someone that said we should maintain table manners. Let's maintain it.
Gozi, you're drunk again. When are you going to stop living this kind of life? When?
I will stop living this kind of life the day you decide to mind your business, huh?
Will you get out of this place with this bad breath of yours? Out of this place!
See, is it smelling? I don't even know if I have bad breath. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is it that the first son of this house is not welcome to the dining or what? So I cannot eat again. Is that it? Okay. If you say I cannot eat, I will leave.
Serve it, I lost my appetite.
If you throw my food away, I will deal with you. Did I tell you to go and drink? What, get out of here. What is it? I'll throw my food away. Don't touch my drink.
This looks like Hennessy. The fake one, I said it. It's the fake one. Let me test it.
Give my drink. Give my drink.
Disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
We are coming.
Your food.
You get back here. Yes, stand there. Check the drawer. This one. There. Over there. Open it. Yeah. What did you see there? Huh? Check it very well. Bring whatever you're seeing there. Bring it out. What's the name?
It's a condom necklace.
Ah, good, good. You're very brilliant. Yes. You know what? You will go with it right now. Keep it safe. My dad is traveling. You and I, we're gonna use this tomorrow night. Okay? Okay?
But my point...
Hey! It's an instruction, okay? Not a suggestion. Now get out. Get out! Gonna get jiggy with it.
Hey. My princess. Oluchi, I'm so sorry for the way my mother treated you. I don't know why she derives joy hurting you. So sorry.
It's okay. You don't need to apologize to me. I mean, I'm good. I'm good.
That's not true. Stop pretending. What's that in your hand? Let me see your hand.
Nothing.
Can I see your hand? What? A condom? What are you doing with this? Don't tell me you started having sex with the gate man.
No. I swear to you, I have not.
I don't know what is going on, but I want you to see me as that friend that you can confide in. Talk to me. I don't like the way you are this period. You look so depressed. Talk to me. I can be that friend you're looking for. What's going on? Talk to me.
You mean to tell me that our son is going to the rehab?
Why won't he go to the rehab?
It will not happen. It will not happen.
I asked you, is he normal?
I don't understand or know what you mean by being normal. What I know that our son lacks is fatherly love and attention, which you are not giving to him.
I am going to state this categorically clear again. I am not going to give Chukwuguze any kind of fatherly attention or affection, like you already pointed out, until he becomes the person I want him to become. If he has a positive attitudinal change, only then will I take him to any gathering of kings and royals.
Wait. Are you saying that you are not taking him to the king's conference tomorrow?
You heard me.
The heir apparent to the throne.
You heard me.
You have to take him to the king's conference. You have to. He's our only son. You have to take him to the meeting.
Oluchi, I'm going to destroy him before he gets the chance to touch you.
Please, Angus. I didn't say this to you so that you can solicit or fight for me. Please.
What do you mean by that? So I should allow him rape you? I'll go and tell the king now.
No, don't do that. The princess already knows.
And you think the princess can protect you from her stupid brother?
I don't know, but she promised me that her brother will not touch me.
When is the king traveling?
Tomorrow, and I don't think he will stay more than 2 days.
Oluchi, 1 day is enough for that stupid boy to deal with you. You don't know? Anyways, I won't let it get... Ow! I won't let it get to that.
Sorry.
I won't let it get to that.
Okay. But Angus, I only told you this thing because of the friendship we have.
I know.
Not for you to go and fight for me. Biko, allow me to handle it myself, my own way. Even if it means me leaving the palace, I'll go. I'll just go.
If you leave the palace, where will you go to? Where? Well, I'll not let it get to that. Ow! Aye!
Hey. Sorry. Yeah, but just allow me to handle it. Oh, just allow me.
I have an idea.
What do you think you are about to do?
You are intruding my privacy, mother.
Invading on your privacy?
Yes. That's what you just did. That's not what courtesy and civility demands.
Did I hear you mention that word, civil? Now tell me, what is civil about you? Answer. You reek of irresponsibility. Do you know that? Oh, stop it. Not before me. Stop it. And have some respect for me. Do you know this, your attitude and character is affecting your relationship with your father? Do you know?
My father, your husband, doesn't like me. He hates me with passion. And from the look of things, there's nothing you can do about it. Not that I care anyway.
What? You don't care. Yet, you want to succeed him. Do you know that your father does not consider you worthy of a successor.
Does he have a choice? Does he have another son?
Will you keep quiet? Must he have another son to denounce you as a successor? You have not proven yourself worthy of any responsibility in this palace. You are only wasting your time and wasting away.
Mother, please. I'm not ready for this. I only came here so I can cool off, rest my head. Please.
Yes.
I need to be alone.
I understand. You want to rest your head and cool off of the alcohol you took. Gozie, you disappoint me. Just look at a supposed prince of the land. You are disappointing me, and you have been disappointing me over and over again. Look, your father is going to attend a meeting of the kings tomorrow. I want you to prepare so that you go with him to know what is happening in the land.
I'm not in the mood.
Gozie, you must be in the mood. Make yourself available tomorrow. Else, you will have serious problem with me. And you will have serious issues to settle with me.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
I can see you are stupid, Abby. You won't lose this job. You won't lose this job, right? All right. Wait and see. No problem.
Are you done? Are you done shouting? But why are you shouting? Did you employ me? Did you employ me? Ow!
Ew. What is that?
What's what? What's your business?
Anyway, it's none of my business.
Okay.
I don't have much time to stay here. I don't have time. I am giving you 5 minutes. 5 minutes to let me in. You will see the other side of Lisa. 5 minutes.
Madam, look left. Now look right. You see? I am in charge of this entire environment. I decide who enters the palace and who leaves. So if you tell me you want to see the prince, it's fine. I am not stopping you from seeing the prince. But you have to tell me why you want to see the prince. And if I carry out my investigations and I find you worthy to enter the palace, it is okay.
Wait. I should let you know why I'm looking for the prince.
Exactly.
You are a very stupid man. Yes.
You're not ready to see
Open this gate! Open this gate! Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Just open the gate. Open this gate.
You say what? You want me to open the gate?
Yes.
You have to apologize. Say you are sorry. Say you are sorry.
I am sorry.
What are you sorry about?
For shouting at you.
Good. Yes?
Please, I want you to help me give the prince this. Tell him it's from Lisa.
What's inside?
It's a bottle of red wine.
Can I see?
You see you. You will regret this. Wicked man.
What did you say? I thought you just apologized now. Don't try that nonsense again.
I don't blame you. See the way you were just scratching his buttons.
dirty man.
Oh, thank you very much. Nice. My favorite. You can take your leave.
Sir?
I said you can leave.
Okay, sir.
Who is there? Who is there? Angus!
Sir.
Come here. Angus,
Good afternoon, sir.
what are you doing there?
Sir?
What are you doing there?
I was trying to check on the dogs. They are hungry. I went to give them food.
What are you still doing in my presence?
Your presence. Sir, you didn't ask me to leave, sir.
Come on, get out of my sight!
Thank you, sir.
Come back here!
Sir? Sir, you called me, sir.
What did you see?
Sir, come again.
What did you see? Did you see anything?
Oh, you mean the gun? No, I didn't see it. Oh, thank you, sir.
Come here!
Sir, I said I didn't see it. I didn't see the gun, sir.
Angus.
Sir.
I'll come to that. Where's my girl?
Sir?
I said, where is my girl?
Which girl, sir?
My girlfriend.
I said, I don't know anybody, sir.
Are you dumb?
No, sir.
Where's the girl that brought the parcel in?
Okay, that girl. I can confirm she's outside, sir.
Outside?
Outside the gate, sir.
Look at this boy.
I'm very sure she's outside the gate, sir.
You left my girl outside the gate?
What you think?
Yeah. Where is your brother?
Oh, he didn't sleep here last night.
Well, take care of the kingdom. I'll be back a day after tomorrow. I'm off.
Okay, boss.
Safe trip.
Right.
Be safe, Dad.
Baby, what is it? What's wrong? You've been wearing this face all through the night.
I can't believe I risked smuggling a gun with you last night to do the needful, but you couldn't.
Oh, come on. I thought I already told you. I told you my mom is suggesting I embark on a trip with my father, and I don't want to go.
Why?
I had to leave so she wouldn't force me to.
You have to go with him. This is the perfect time and opportunity for you to end this old man. What are you doing? I don't understand you anymore.
Baby, you know too well that I can't embark on that trip with a gun. It's risky. Not to worry, okay? He only traveled. It's not as if he traveled to the land of no return. By the time the old man comes back, I'll pop him. That's a promise, okay?
Are you serious?
I'm damn serious.
Babe.
Yes, darling.
I think you are playing with me. Yes. Anyway, you know what to do to have me. Who is that?
My mom. Pain in the ass. Uncles! Uncles! This is where's the Uncles! Uncles!
Sir! My prince! Sir!
Hey, stop there. What is it? Ow! Ooh. Will you stop scratching your body before me? What's wrong with you?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
You're sorry to yourself.
Ow, 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 ow.
There you go.
Sir?
Hey! Out with those filthy hands you use in scratching your rough balls. Better. We'll get in some steroids.
Sir?
You heard me right.
No.
Steroids.
Staring.
I didn't say steroid.
Sir?
Local man. I say steroids.
Sir, is your car steering bad?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Sorry, sir.
I said get me some steroids. Did I say steering? Are you insane?
Stereo.
Angus!
Sir.
If you don't know what steroids is, go out there and ask questions, okay?
Steroids, steroids, steroids,
Yes.
steroids.
Now leave.
Sir? Steroids, 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 steroids.
Hey, come back here!
Sir, steroids, 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 steroids.
Yeah.
Steroids.
Come closer.
Sir?
Step forward.
Steroids.
Oh, he's okay. Yeah. Good.
Steroids, steroids. Steroids, steroids.
Yeah.
Oh!
That's for locking my girl outside yesterday. Get out.
Sir, you hit the wrong place.
Yes, that's my intention. Get out. Silence. It's PM. Keep the condom. day the next tonight. See ya.
He's a disgrace to the palace,
Yeah.
shame to the people. He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
What did he say to you?
Speak!
You need to hide inside my room.
What if he comes to look for me here?
But I'm not going to let anybody come close to the door now. Eh? You have to hide inside before somebody comes and sees you.
And if they ask you of me?
I'll tell them you went to see your sick mother.
Wait, Angus.
Eh?
My mother is dead.
I'll tell them your father swallowed razor blade. What?
My father is dead also, and they know.
I'll just look for something to tell them. You better run inside now before somebody comes and sees you.
Where is this dumb girl? This crazy girl. Where is she? Oluchi! Oluchi! Where is that girl? Hey, you! Where is that stupid girl?
Your Highness.
Where is that stupid girl?
Ma, what did you say?
You did not hear me.
No, ma.
I said, where is that stupid girl?
Stupid girl, stupid girl. I'm sorry, Your Highness, but I can't remember anybody called stupid in this palace. Stupid girl, who's that?
I mean the palace maid. You're just as stupid, dumb, and useless as she is.
Me?
Where is she?
Me?
No, me.
Oh, okay. Oluchi. Ow. Oh. Sorry, ma. Oluchi went to the market. She bought some pants, some underwears. She didn't like them, so she returned them.
Oh, she had the guts, the audacity, the impetus to leave my clothes under the sun. I hate it when my clothes are under the sun.
Your Highness, the truth is my fault. In fact, I saw her trying to remove the clothes, but I told her she shouldn't worry, I'll remove them by myself. But I forgot. I'm sorry.
How dare you?
Ow.
How dare you leave my clothes under the sun? Why? Are you stupid? Are you dumb? Are you crazy even as you are?
Your Highness, I'm a chief in my village. A woman cannot slap me. It's an abomination.
Really?
Yes.
And I will do that again. What is your problem? Come on, will you run off and remove them? Run off!
Okay, ma. For security purposes.
Just imagine.
Yeah. Babe, what's up?
Updates.
Babe, the man is still alive.
You are running out of time.
I know, but I can't force his hand to pull the trigger. He said he's going to do this. Let's keep waiting and hope that he will do it.
Like I said, you are running out of time.
What am I going to do? Tell me.
You don't have time.
Ah, babe, come, wait.
You see, I was beginning to wonder what kept you for too long. My mind was telling me maybe you... What are you doing here? And what's the meaning of this?
I have come to you instead. Don't you want to have sex with me?
God forbid! Are you out of your mind? You don't joke with things like this.
Really? Wait, you mean you're not willing to do to your own sister what you're planning to do to an innocent girl?
Hey, come on, sister. I am not in for this, okay? Please. Let the adult I gave the condom come in to perform her duty. Please, I beg of you.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Chigozie, you should be ashamed of yourself. I regret ever having you as a brother. Oh, you want to rape her? Is that your goal in life?
Hey, come on. Be mindful of your choice of words, okay? I'm not a rapist. I do not plan on raping her, okay? I have a consent to have sex with her. Do you have a problem with that?
Swear by the gods! Swear and see you drop dead this minute! Pwah!
It's okay. It's alright. It doesn't come to that, okay? You are my sister, the blood. I'm going to be honest. I'm a man, you should know. You don't know how it feels to be a man. I took steroids.
Really?
Yeah, and it makes me, my body goes cheeky. I just want to expel it. Do me one favor, sister, okay? Why don't you let the maid in and you go outside? And I promise you, I will never forget that favor all my life.
You know, the only favor I have done for you is not showing Dad this condom or telling him what you planned doing to that innocent girl. But listen to me, Chigozie. Let this be the last time, the very last time you will ever molest that girl. If you ever try it, you will see the other side of me. Piece of shit. Pwah! I regret ever having you as a brother.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
You don't know what it means to be a man. Huh? A man is talking and a woman is talking too. Do you know what it feels to be a man? Huh? Do you know how it feels inside of me?
Where is she? Where is she? I'm asking you, where is she?
My priest, wait. I just finished eating. I don't want to throw up on your body.
I don't care. Where is she? Where is she? Talk to me.
Hold on.
Wait. Well. Where is she?
Who?
Are you ready to talk?
Who?
The maid.
Which maid?
Which maid? You're asking me. Don't worry. I'll kill you. Where is the maid? Talk to me right now. Where is she? Huh?
Okay. Let me talk.
You talk.
I'll talk.
Go ahead and tell me. Where's the maid? Huh? Where is she?
Freedom is sweet.
Who told you you're free? Who told you you're free yet? You don't want to talk?
I'll talk.
Are you ready? Where is she? Where is she?
Who?
I will not leave this neck again.
Okay.
I'll kill you.
I'll talk.
I don't want to hear it.
I'll talk.
Where is she? Where is she?
She went to somewhere very important.
I thought you said you don't know.
No, I asked her to buy something for me.
So you know you've been wasting my time?
Sorry, sir.
You've been wasting my time?
I told you.
I will not leave this neck again! Kill you! Let me tell you something. From now onwards, you're my #1 enemy in this palace.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Anywhere you see me, avoid me.
Yes, sir.
I will not hesitate to kill you!
Yes, sir.
Rubbish.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
He's a disgrace to the palace, Shame to the people.
Serves you right.
He's a disgrace to the palace. Shame to the people.
This guy has a plan to end my generation.
Imagine a prince making errors.
Mother, I just saw Lucy leave.
Did she do anything? Let me punish her immediately.
Never mind.
Where did you sleep last night? And why is your face this way?
My face. How's my face? I was with my friend.
You were with your friend. But we had an understanding that you follow your father to the king's meeting. Why did you not go with him?
Oh, Mother, please, please. Please, spare me face right now. I'm not in for this.
See, you have a bone to pick with me. I told you that failure to do that, you will see it. Okay. You will see what will happen to you. Imagine this boy.
My princess. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh. So, do you care for anything like food?
No, I'm fine.
You sure?
Oh yes.
We have a lot. What about starter?
I'm okay. Come on.
sure?
You want to feed me fat?
Hey, Mom.
Oh. Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my daughter. You may sit.
Thank you, my queen.
Mom, you remember her, right?
Nope.
My friend, Joy, the one I've been telling you about.
Oh, Joy. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, my queen.
My daughter have told me a lot about you. You are not from this side, right?
Oh, no, my queen. I'm from Umuleru Kingdom.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Yes. So what do you think? Is she good for my brother?
Yeah, she looks responsible and respectful. She will be good for him. Yeah. And in that case, you have to discuss with your brother. Tell him about her.
Okay. Sure, I will.
It's okay. Take good care of her.
All right. Thank you so much, my queen.
It's okay.
I'll
see you later.
Okay, sure. So you sure you don't want anything?
Oh, no. Like I said, I'm fine. Oh, my.
Well, like my mom, right? Don't worry, she's cool.
Oh, yeah. She's looking stunning.
Good morning.
Oluchi, how far?
You're not ready for work yet?
No, not yet, not yet.
No, it's fine, it's fine. I brought food for you.
You brought food for me? Thank you. Go.
Hey! Hey, stop there.
Good afternoon, sir. Oh, good morning, sir.
Keep your greetings to yourself. I saw what your girlfriend just gave to you. Or whatever she is to you. I saw it. Go in there and bring it out.
Sir?
You heard me right. Go in there and bring it out.
Sir, it's dog food. She gave me a plate of rice to give to the dog.
Who am I to contest that? I'm not arguing. I just instructed you to bring it out. Go get it. Now! Angus!
Sir!
asked you to go get the food and you wasted so much time. What were you doing?
I tried to cover it, sir.
No? You were trying to eat it.
No, sir. I swear I wasn't.
What is this?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing.
Yes, sir.
How did it find itself on your lips?
I don't know, sir.
So good. Smells nice. Well served. Half eaten. By the dogs, I suppose. It's meant for the dogs, right? What do dogs do? It's from the floor. So you're free to eat. Besides, I did tell you I am very creative. I love creativity. I remember the last time I played soccer. It's a goal!
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
Enjoy yourself. Eat it.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
Get out of this place! I'm talking to you. Out!
Imagine a prince making errors. I wonder, oh,
come here. Come here, come here. Come.
I see no bumweze.
Well, we thank the gods for safe return.
We thank the gods.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
How do I convince Igor Forma that award me this contract? You and I knows that this contract will be a facelift for our people and the entire kingdom.
You are very correct, Your Highness. But this man is not ready to give out this contract to anyone unless you have ties with him.
How do you mean? Igor Forma and our kingdom have been in business relationship for so many years and still running. What difference does it make now?
Your Highness, this one is different. I am sure that this business we're talking about is not just buying and selling business. We're talking about a business that has to do with one of the biggest manufacturing company, fabric, in the whole world. He will only give this out unless you have a relationship with him, a kind of blood relationship, or by marriage.
Hold on. Did you just say marriage?
Yes, Your Highness. For anyone to be an in-law to King of Forma automatically gives you the contract, and many more to come. We are talking of a King of Forma, an international businessman, business mogul. You know he's a billionaire. A billionaire.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
You see why I always call you by my side?
Thank you, my king.
Very sensible.
Seems nice.
I know, right? Yeah. I'll take you around the palace. You like it?
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, bro. I've been looking for you since. Where have you been?
What are you doing here?
This is my friend. Her name is Joy. Joy, my brother.
Greetings, my prince. It's really nice to see you.
Greetings. How can I help you?
Come on, you can't ask her that. I brought her to introduce her to you. So that you guys will, get to know each other and let me not go deeper. Let me allow you guys to talk and get to know each other. Okay, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, so you have a nice room here.
Get out.
Excuse me?
Get out.
You mean you don't consider all this? My prince.
Hey. I'll suggest you take yourself and your handbag out of my room right now, else you won't like what will happen next. Get out. Out!
All right. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine.
Oluchi. 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 But you shouldn't have bothered bringing another one. I don't want you to get into trouble with the prince. These people are very wicked.
Forget it. There's no way I will stand by and watch them treat you with so much unfairness. You work here and you deserve to eat. Okay?
Sometimes I wonder when this wickedness will stop. When will it end? Wait. I hope he didn't touch you.
No.
Are you sure?
He did not.
Because that boy is very, very wicked. Very wicked. Very heartless. Oluchi, I was going to tell you that I've been asking my friends to look for another job for you. I want you to leave this palace before something bad happens. Because these people are very wicked, especially the prince.
Why do you keep doing this? Why have you made it your business to care for me and protect me?
Oluchi, I don't know. All I know is I just want you protected and safe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I wish I know how to repay you for all this, honestly.
Repay me? I don't want anything, no. I didn't tell you that I wanted something. In fact, I don't want anything. I just want to keep protecting you. And I promise you, I'll protect you and nothing will happen to you.
Thank you.
Ow!
Sorry.
Ooh.
Wait, what happened? You should have told me your brother is not interested in any relationship yet. Instead of allowing me get embarrassed by him.
Wait, I don't understand. What happened?
He is clearly not interested in me. You know what? I will just leave it, okay? Joy. I'm sorry I have to go now.
Joy, just calm down. Joy, listen.
Hey. What? Don't you ever try that nonsense you tried with me just now, okay? I never asked you to help me get a wife, did I? Did I solicit for your help?
Wait, do you prefer rolling with that junkie of a girl?
It's none of your business!
But you know that a mom will not like this.
I don't care! Leave my girl and I alone. I will not warn you again.
I was only looking out for you. Okay? Joy! Joy!
Clear the mess. I say clear the mess. You're acting as if you didn't hear me. Huh? Can't you see the mess on the floor? Huh?
She's going through a lot. She's been through a lot. Be nice for once. Who is down today? Maybe out tomorrow. Ooh. The wickedness is much, intimidation is much. Que don't come ready, ma. Oh, by the time we quarry, Mara, 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 Mara. Yeah.
So, what is keeping the meal? Why did it take so much time? Or have you served the food on the dining already?
No, Your Majesty.
So what?
I...
Speak out!
As I was trying to dish the food, the pot of soup mistakenly fell.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that the pot of food I asked you to prepare, that you wasted it? Is that what you want to tell me?
It was a mistake.
Go and tell that to the wind. Tell it to the wind.
I did not mean to. The thing just fell off.
So you want me to go and let this one? You want me to go and let you? Come on, get back! Arati! Can you just imagine?
That girl needs to be taken to psychiatric hospital first.
What are we going to do now? Stay hungry?
You take her to the psychiatric hospital first.
Yeah, who's there?
My prince, your food is served.
Served where?
At the dining.
Bring it right here.
Okay.
How do I get another one now? Hey. Where do you think you're going?
I'm leaving. I just...
No.
But...
You're not leaving. You're staying right here. With me. You watch me eat. Okay? Get me the tray. shit is finished. It's okay. Hold it. Okay. Delicious. Yeah, delicious. But you know what? This food will be more delicious if we are more creative. We have to add creativity to it. So, you have to squat. Yes, squat. Good girl.
I think it's time we send that useless good-for-nothing Oluchi out from this palace. She has done more harm than good here.
You should understand that I do not like discussing frail issues with you when I have better things to talk about.
I think it's good I tell you before I take any...
I don't understand what you tend to say anyway, but you should understand that you are the one who brought her into the palace because she's a good chef, according to you. You have to know that.
I need a replacement.
Why not do the first thing first? Well, that's by the way. I needed to talk to you about something I have been nursing. It's all about the meeting we attended to. There's this huge contract that Igor Former is awarding. In fact, it is in his office to award this contract. And I must tell you most sincerely, this contract will be a facelift to our people. So, I don't know how to get to that.
It's not a big deal. King of Former is your friend, so you have to sort it out with him.
Stop being in friendship with him. Okay? Igor Former has many friends, which I'm one of them. So, it's not a guarantee being one of his friends.
Then what do we do?
They must do something closer than being a little friendship. Being in a little friendship with him. Like being like an in-law.
An in-law? What do you mean by that?
You know this food is actually more delicious than what was squatting.
What is going on here?
What are you looking for here? What's your business?
Chigozie, what is going on? You know this is unfair, right? Stand up, Oluchi.
If you dare.
Squat! I say you should stand up!
I said squat!
Leave this place. Leave here now! Leave!
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
Let me tell you something. You stay out of my business, okay?
What will happen?
Stay out of my business!
What will happen?
What
will you do? What will you do? Are you going to beat me? Eh? You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at you. Stupid ass. Dad wants to see you. Better go in there, freshen up, brush your mouth because you stink. He wants to see you. Fool.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. Imagine a prince making errors. I wonder, I see no.
Your brother is not here.
No, the good man said he drove out.
The good man said what? Didn't you tell him that I want to see him?
Of course I did.
That boy.
Have you seen whom that boy has totally turned into. And you are part of it.
How am I part of it? Is he not our son? Did we not both raise him up?
Is that what you are saying? That we both raised him up,
yeah,
when you are the one who are busy condemning his excesses. And now look at what he has turned into. Look at it.
Dad, why don't you consider me marrying a king's son? Some of you asking Goze to marry the daughter. I mean, he has made it clear that he's not interested in anything relationship.
The answer is no. You're a princess. You're not supposed to choose whom to marry. It's against the tradition. A man's supposed to choose you. Your brother is in the best position of forming a relationship that will get us this contract. But look at him, he's nowhere to be found in this little talking world. In times of need, your brother is not even reliable. Ah. Ah.
What type of wickedness is this? Eh? How can he do such a thing to you? Is he mad?
As in, he made me squat for a very long time. Very long time. Oh. If not that the princess came in, I don't know. Maybe I would have still been there.
I don't know what is wrong with that boy. I wish there's something I can do to help. But I feel like there's something you can do. Yes.
What?
Eh? You have to do something to stop him. Tell the king he tried to rape you.
The king will not believe me, you know that. And he won't even want me to say a thing like that.
How sure are you? Have you tried first? You have to try first before you know.
Listen, the last thing I want is to cause a rift between a king and his prince.
Ha.
So please, let's just leave things the way they are. Biko, Biko.
If you want this thing to stop, you have to report to the king that he tried to rape you. Rape is a serious offense. He can go to jail. You don't know?
Then what happens to me after that?
Nothing will happen to you. You are the complainant. You are the victim. You have to use your brain.
You know you can't be here.
Why? Because I haven't done what you asked me to do.
Exactly.
Like it's easy popular king? Huh? Come on. Give me a break.
You know what? Return the gun.
What did you say?
Return it.
Hey, come on. It hasn't got into that.
It has. You have to return the gun.
Why are you getting mad over nothing? Come on, Lisa. Why?
Because you are making me to look like I'm forcing you to do the needful. You know what is at stake, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know it.
Of course I do.
And you are doing like this.
Oh, come on. Listen to me. I do. I know what's at stake. I know what you want, okay? I promised I was going to do it. And I'll do it. But for now, chill, okay? Chill. Everything will be alright. Just chill, alright? Right now, I came here to cool my head from the craziness I'm having in the palace. Every fucking thing that happens in that palace irritates me right now. Alright? So I'm here to cool my head off. But if you want me out of your house right now, fuck it, I can as well leave.
It's fine. Babe, sorry. Just calm down. I am sorry for the outburst. Please, can you sit down? you know what I want in life. And...
Hey, come on. Can we just stop talking? And focus on the moment.
I understand.
I love you.
I love you the more.
My king, you sent for me, sir.
Is my son back yet?
No, sir. He's not back, sir.
Lock the gates and don't allow him in.
Consider it done, sir. Sir. Sir.
What are you trying to do? What are you doing here?
My queen, it's the end of the day. I just want to sleep.
Oh, you want to sleep? After forgetting to wash my bedroom. See, you have to sleep outside. You have to sleep outside this night. What is your problem?
Mom, outside.
Hush. Stay out of this. What is it?
Please, I've been working since morning. Okay, let me quickly wash it, then come and sleep.
You're supposed to have washed it earlier than now. So you have to get out. Go outside and sleep. Do you want to receive it? What are you doing? What do you want to do with that?
I want to take the duvet so I can cover myself.
Meaning what?
Mama, please allow her to take the duvet to cover herself against mosquito and cold, please.
Stay out of this. I have warned you. Get out of here. Get out! Come on, get out! What is all this? You forget to wash my bedroom and you want to carry the duvet. For what?
This is not fair. I mean, what kind of wickedness is this? If it's me, your daughter, will you treat me this way?
Hush. And get out of here. Go to your room and sleep. Stay out of this. What is your problem? Get out of my way.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
Oluchi, please cover yourself with this. Sorry. The mosquitoes are too much.
Thank you so much.
I've asked you to come to my room, but you refused. Why? Do you think the queen will find out?
Don't worry about it, honestly. I'm fine out here. Thank you.
Oh, are you thinking I will touch you at night when you are sleeping?
No. No, I'm not even thinking towards that direction. No.
I'm wondering.
Angus, you know I trust you so much and I know you will never harm me in any way. Just that I don't want the queen to come out and not see me here. You know how she behaves.
Oluchi, you worry too much. I'm sure the queen is probably sleeping and snoring. She's not coming out.
I know the queen very well. And I know she doesn't sleep on time.
Yeah.
Not to talk of today that her son is not yet back. I'm very sure she's wide awake.
Okay. So are you saying that when the prince finally comes back, you will come and sleep in my room?
But you told me that the king ordered you not to open the gate for him. That means the queen will stay awake the whole night until her son returns. So don't worry about me. I'll be fine here.
Outside? With all these mosquitoes? Ha!
I'll manage.
Wow.
I'll manage.
So this is not fair.
I know.
This is not fair.
I know, but it's okay. I'll be fine. At least I'll help you and do your work this night.
This is quite unfair. Our son has been outside for some hours now, honking and knocking without the gate man opening the gate for him. And when I asked him, he said you instructed him not to open the gate for him. Why?
Yes, I did. And I do not wish to be disturbed further of this. Let him sleep outside there.
Have you forgotten that he's a prince? What if something happens to him outside? What will you say?
Oh, please. Is he not aware that he's a prince when he started keeping late night? Is he not also aware that he's a prince when he brazenly starts flaunting my orders? Please, I don't want to be disturbed further. Like I said before, let him sleep outside there. That's what I want to care.
But you know we can settle this, eh? If he comes in, he will apologize to you.
Woman, I need to sleep. Please.
This is unfair. This is wickedness. Since in this house, in this palace, no maid has been sent to sleep outside, all in the name of punishment. But you are doing this to our own son, our only son. This is wickedness. This is wickedness.
Imagine a prince making.
If not because you are my son, you would have been locked up in a maximum prison by now. You have the guts to knock an innocent man down and you allowed him to bleed to death because of your careless driving. If not because of a man who offered to take him to hospital last night, that man would have been dead by now. Look at you. So you can actually commit murder and conceal it. When did you become this terrible that I am finding it difficult to recognize you?
Gozie, apologize to your father.
I'm sorry for that.
What? Mom! Do you have to tell him to apologize before he apologizes?
Will you shut up? Shut up! I was not referring to you.
I can as well hand over this throne to any of my brothers instead of giving it over to this worthless son of mine. Just look at him. Look at the disgrace he's bringing to my family.
I said I'm sorry.
Hey.
And who was that irresponsible and stupid girl you were with?
Dad, same girl we have been telling him to stop seeing, but he refused. That girl is a bad influence on him.
Was father talking to you?
Excuse you?
Was father talking to you? You won't say what you know. Mother, she's my girl.
Will you shut up? What nonsense are you talking about? Inapuala, what is wrong with you?
Just look at him. Look at the boy you are soliciting for. Look at him expressing his love and his hopelessness. Look at him.
Gozie, what is wrong with you? What is your problem?
Mother, I said she's my girl and that is fine now.
Are you listening to him?
Please excuse me.
Shame on you!
What is wrong with this boy? Gozie! Gozie!
Do I look like someone that needs drugs to cure his image? Get out!
Sorry, my king.
And where do you think you are going?
I want to get something so I can clean the water.
Use your cloth and mop it right now. Take this. If you waste time, I will kill you right now.
Your Highness. Yes. Time is running so fast. Let's try and convince your boy to do the needful.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
I am disappointed in that boy. Most times, I wonder from which planet he came from.
Oh.
I consider him at times as someone who is not anywhere, the person I gave birth to. I am totally disappointed in him.
Right. I can understand you, Your Highness. Children of nowadays can be very difficult to take care of, to control. You can't control them. But you know what is at stake. So please go out there on your way to convince him.
Hey, come, stand there. Stand there. I didn't ask you to leave. I may need some honey, okay?
Ah! What is this? Why is this tea so hot? Do you want to kill me? Oh, you want to kill me? That's your plan. You want to take my life?
What happened?
Mother, can you imagine? Look at what this stupid girl just did.
What?
She wants to kill me, your only son.
How?
By giving me this hot tea to drink.
No, you said you like your tea iced cold, and that's the same way I made it. I don't understand.
What do you mean?
Oh, they sent you here to kill my son. Who sent you? Oh! Who sent you? Who sent you here to kill my son? What is wrong with you? What is going on here? Mother, what is it? Let her be. No! I must deal with her. No! Oh yeah! Who sent you? You will tell me who sent you today.
But this tea is cold. Chigozie, why are you wicked?
You know you like your tea ice cold. What will you benefit from this? What?
How is this your business? Huh? I'm asking you. How? Oh, get out.
Imagine a prince making errors. I wonder,
Now, carry the seat. I said carry this! Carry it on your head. Hands up! Raise it well. Good. You must remain this way till dusk. And if by chance you rest, you remain here till tomorrow. Not tomorrow morning, but dusk. Stupid girl. They sent you from where I don't know to kill my son, my only son for me. It will not work out for you. Hands up, one!
Be nice for once. Who is down today? Maybe out tomorrow. Ooh. The wickedness is much, intimidation is much. Kedonko meredima.
Who is there? I'm coming. Oh! Babe! Babe! No, please! Peter! No, please! No, Peter, very well for me! Don't do this to me! No, please! Peter, for me! Let me see! Don't do this to me! Stop! 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 Oh my God! I give you 10 days! 10 days! You go pay my return if I return! If I return!
Give me this chair.
The guy will soon come out. What are you doing? Shut up, get up.
That wicked woman, she's still sleeping. Eh? I just checked on her now. So you have like 1 hour to rest before you continue your punishment. Or follow me. This is boss and this is coke. You need energy so that you can go back to your punishment. Eh?
You didn't have to. You didn't have to do this.
What do you mean by that? I didn't have to. Okay, you want me to collect it?
No. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hey. This one is terrible.
The woman is very wicked. Very wicked woman. Under the sun. Hi. Sorry. You need energy because you are going back to your punishment.
What happened to you?
I had an accident.
How? Really?
Yes.
Then I should take you to a good hospital where the doctor can treat you.
No need for that. I will be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. Have a seat.
I'm so sorry.
I appreciate your concern. I will be leaving this town.
Then we should live together.
We should live together?
Yes.
Not when you have not done the needful. Babe, you know what I'm talking about.
What is wrong with you?
I just want to eat. I'm hungry.
You want to eat? You're hungry. So after serving the punishment, you have the impetus, the guts to come inside my kitchen to dish out food to eat. For what?
Please, ma. I'm so hungry. I've not eaten since.
And you want to eat my food?
My eyes are turning.
How does it concern me if your eyes is turning you? Is something wrong with you? Will you get out of here? Get out of here! Look at this stupid idiot of no comparison.
Mom, what's going on? Huh? I don't know between you and Gozo who is more wicked. That girl has been on punishment since morning, and now that she wants to eat, you still won't allow her to eat. Tell me the truth. If Oluchi is your daughter, will you treat her the way you're treating her now?
How dare you? How dare you talk to me like that? Are you out of your senses? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. It's not you.
Who is down today? Maybe on tomorrow. Ooh. The wickedness is much, intimidation is much.
Here, take. I'm so sorry for the way my mom and my brother has been treating you here. Please. Okay? I just want you to know that I'm not in support of it. I'm sorry.
You don't need to apologize. I'm used to it.
No. You can't be used to wickedness and unfairness. It's not done anywhere. Okay? Just... I mean, the whole thing, I'm tired of the whole maltreatment, and I just wish I can get you a job outside this palace so that you can go and be free.
Thank you. It's okay. I can manage.
Okay, I'm sorry. This is all I could get. I don't want my mom to notice anything.
Thank you. Thank you for being so kind to me.
It's fine. Let me help you.
It is time I make use of this. It is time my father go in the ways of his ancestors. I need to summon courage and do this. Who's there?
This way. Hi. Are you okay? Why are you sitting down here alone?
What kind of dumb question is that? Were you expecting to see me with someone?
No, not really. I mean, everyone is at the dining and you're here doing nothing.
Oh, please leave my room if you don't have anything reasonable to say. Get out.
Well, Dad is summoning you for the second time. And you should better answer him if you don't want to be thrown out of this palace.
Do you want to know the first project I will execute if I finally ascend Father's throne? It will have you beheaded, I swear.
If you ascend the throne, if, in brackets, I mean, judging by the way you've been acting recently, it's certain the throne is not yours. It will never be yours.
Get out of my room.
Of course I'm leaving. I'm going to tell the king that I have delivered my message. Good day, brother. Okay.
A certain mother hen with her legs digged backwards, and then she digged forward. So she said that tomorrow is prosperous. I called all of you here because of an urgent matter that demands urgent attention. I believe you all know Umulero Kingdom.
Yes, Dad.
Yes, Father.
Good. Their king is Igwe Ofoma Nadozie, a billionaire business mogul known by all ensemble.
I've heard about him.
Good to hear that. Igwe Nadozie has a daughter that I want you to marry.
Wait a minute, Father. You want me to get married to his daughter?
On the affirmative.
Oh, come on. Come on, Father. You already know I have someone in mind I want to get married to.
Will you shut up, son, and listen to your father?
Allow me to speak, Mother. She's my choice.
Son, I'm not against whoever you're in love with. The only thing I am concerned about right now is the princess. I want you to get married to the princess, and by so doing, I will be 50 billion naira richer. My father is already waiting for me to do the needful, and then the contract that I've been pursuing for years will be signed. I hope this is clear. You're no longer a child. It's a tit for tat. You say yes, and he says yes to my contract.
Did I hear you say, if I get married to her, you'll be richer?
Folds. In folds, I'll be richer. And of course, you get married to the girl you are in love with and make her your second wife. Oh, it's so simple. I believe you see the picture.
Oh. That sounds great. Huh? Yes. In that case, what are we waiting for? I'll marry her. Where is she? Lisa, what are you doing here? No, you know what my father would do to you if he sees you?
I need my gun back.
Shh! Please. What are you looking at?
I wanted to tell her she's disturbing the peace of the neighbors.
Come on, get out of that place. Lisa, please. Please, just reduce your voice, okay? I'll bring the gun to your house.
You do what?
I'll bring it to your house, please. You have to leave.
No need. I need it now and here.
Shh.
You are not... Listen to me. Don't bother coming to my house because you are no longer welcome there. Okay?
It's okay. I've heard you. I'll go get it.
Now.